Welcome to Cars Buddy 816, the place where legends live and wheels tell stories. If you're a true car enthusiast who loves the blend of history, beauty, and power, hit that subscribe button now. Today, we bring you one of the most glamorous and unforgettable classics of the 1950s, the 1956 Ford Galaxie Convertible. The 1956 Galaxie Convertible wasn't just a car, it was a lifestyle. Bathed in a bold yellow finish, with sweeping chrome accents and a long, low stance, this convertible captured the heart of the American dream. The open-top design wasn't only about driving, it was about freedom, fresh air, and elegance. Whether cruising down the boulevard or parked outside a diner, the Galaxie turned heads everywhere it went. Introduced in the mid-50s, the Ford Galaxie was Ford's answer to America's hunger for style, luxury, and innovation. The 1956 model stood out as part of a golden age of American automobiles, when cars weren't just transportation, they were statements of status, success, and personality. The Galaxie reflected the optimism of post-war America, where design, comfort, and performance were blended like never before. Step inside, and the Galaxie Convertible continues to impress. The interior featured yellow leather upholstery, a wide and stylish dashboard, chrome accents, and vintage gauges that glowed with charm. From the steering wheel design to the placement of the controls, everything was carefully crafted to make the driver feel like they were in command of both elegance and power. But the Galaxie wasn't just about looks. Under its long hood, it carried powerful V8 engines that delivered impressive performance for its era. Smooth acceleration, steady handling, and reliability made it more than just a weekend cruiser. It was strong enough to command the highways, yet elegant enough to glide through city streets with confidence. Today, the 1956 Ford Galaxie Convertible is seen as a crown jewel among collectors. Its unique design, vintage charm, and connection to the golden era of American cars make it a timeless treasure. Owning a Galaxie is like owning a piece of history, a rolling reminder of when cars represented freedom, prosperity, and dreams on wheels. More than 65 years later, it continues to symbolize the best of classic American design and automotive culture. That was the 1956 Ford Galaxie Convertible, a masterpiece of style, performance, and timeless elegance. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Buddy 816 for more showcases of legendary classics and modern icons. Until next time, keep the passion alive, and keep driving the dream. The 1956 Ford Galaxie Convertible was born during the golden era of American automobiles, a time when cars were more than just machines, they were cultural icons. Ford introduced the Galaxie to capture the spirit of 1950s America: bold design, luxury styling, and a promise of freedom on the open road. The 1956 model reflected the optimism of the post-war boom. With its long sweeping body lines, bright chrome, and convertible roof, it represented a new lifestyle for Americans who desired both elegance and adventure. This car was more than transportation, it was a status symbol, parked proudly outside suburban homes and driven through bustling city streets. In an era when Chevrolet and Chrysler competed fiercely, the Ford Galaxie stood tall as a blend of style and performance. It gave families and enthusiasts alike the chance to enjoy luxury without losing practicality. Even today, the 1956 Galaxie Convertible is remembered as a snapshot of America's prosperity and optimism in the mid-20th century. Owning one isn't just about driving a car, it's about experiencing a piece of history that defined the American dream.